Welcome. Today we are going to learn about Acalypha indica. The scientific name is Acalypha indica. It is also known as Indian mercury, Indian copper leaf, and in Sanskrit language it is known as Harit Manjari. It is an erect perennial herb which can also be short lived. It can reach heights up to 1.2 meter and it is a common weed. These are the habits of the medicinal plant Acalypha indica, also known as Harit Manjari in Sanskrit. Let us discuss what parts of this medicinal plant are used for healing. The parts used are leaves, roots, and even the whole plant is of medicinal value. What does this medicinal plant Acalypha indica cure? It cures skin diseases like eczema, ringworm, and scabies. It is also useful in digestive issues because it acts like an laxative, purgative, and it can also drive out worms from our body as it is anthelminthic. Some of the respiratory disorders like asthma, cough, bronchitis can also be treated by use of Acalypha indica. It is used to treat insect bites, snake bites, ulcers, wounds. Remember, we are discussing about Acalypha indica, which is a medicinal plant. Now let us see what specific chemicals provide Acalypha indica its medicinal properties. It has all the secondary metabolites like terpenes, like phenolic compounds, alkaloids, but an alkaloid named acalyphene is most notable. This medicinal plant, Acalypha indica, has a high and consistent demand. It is basically in use for preparing herbal formulations related to skincare and digestive to treat digestive disorders. Acalypha indica is consumed in various forms. It is ingested in the form of powder, which is known as churn. It is applied topically in the form of paste, oil, it ointments. Also, fresh leaf juice is ingested. Now let us discuss about cultivation of Acalypha indica. It can be cultivated by seeds or by stem cuttings, and it is pertinent to mention here that it is very easy to grow. The leaves are harvested by hand picking fresh leaves. The roots are dug up after the plant has matured. There are certain cyanogenic glycosides present in Acalypha indica. These cyanogenic glycosides release hydrocyanic acid, cyanide, upon ingestion. So, prolonged consumption or unregulated consumption of Acalypha indica can be fatal. It is considered an invasive weed, but as such, its cultivation and propagation is not prohibited under any major law. Field identification of Acalypha indica. It has a typical inflorescence which is of the type axillary spike. Female bracts. The cup-shaped bracts conceal minute female flowers, which is a unique distinguishing feature of this medicinal plant, which is known by the name of Acalypha indica. That is all for today. Thanks.